Molweni, lesson 10, and here we are going to look at some important lecturer expressions in various scenarios. First of all, just some general expressions. Jikelele is the word for general. You might be illustrating something and want to stress the importance thereof and therefore say, Ibalulekile lento ndiyithethayo. Ibalulekile lento ndiyithethayo. What I am saying is important. Balulekile means important. Somebody might not have done his or her work. You ask, kutheni ungawenzanga umsebenzi nje? Kutheni ungawenzanga umsebenzi nje? Somebody might be making a noise and you ask, kutheni ungxola nje? Kutheni ungxola nje? As often happens, a student arrives late and you ask, kutheni ulate nje? Kutheni ulate nje? Again, a student might just arrive and walk into your class and you ask, uvelaphi ngoku? Uvelaphi ngoku? Somebody might not have done his or her work and you ask, or not studied for a test, kutheni ungafundanga nje? Kutheni ungafundanga nje? A book may have been left behind and you ask, iphi incwadi yakho? Iphi incwadi yakho? Where is your book? You might want to see a student after the lecture or after class and you will say, ndifuna ukukubona e-ofisini yam. Ndifuna ukukubona e-ofisini yam. I want uku to bona si ku you e-ofisini yam, in my office. Bring your book. Yiza nencwadi yakho. Yiza nencwadi yakho. Or you might be demonstrating something and you would say, yenziwa ngolu hlobo. Yenziwa ngolu hlobo, like this. Or yenziwa ngolo hlobo, like that. Yenziwa ngolo hlobo. It is always important that your students sign the attendance register, ukusayina i-register, and therefore you remind them, sayinani i-register, sayinani i-register. Or more politely, kanisayine i-register, kanisayine i-register. Or you remind them to sign the register by saying, ningalibali, don't forget ukuyisayina i-register, to sign the register. And then you begin your lesson. Ukuqalisa isifundo. And you perhaps ask, who knows how to do this or that? Ngubani okwazi uku, whatever reference it might have to your previous lesson. Or who can tell us about what happened in the previous lesson? Ngubani onokusixelela ngo. And again it depends on what went before. You hold something up. Yintoni le ndiyiphetheyo? Yintoni le ndiyiphetheyo? Identify what I'm drawing. Yintoni le ndiyizobayo? Or you have some examples on the board. Jongani le mizekelo ebhodini. Or on the screen, esikrinini. Jongani le mizekelo esikrinini or ebhodini. Imizekelo, examples, zoba, to draw, pata or pete, to be holding something, xalela, tell. Doing revision is always very important. Ukuhlaziya. Hlaziya is to refresh. So therefore we are going to refresh the minds. And you would say, masihlaziye, masihlaziye ingqondo. Masihlaziye ingqondo. Or you could just say masihlaziye. Let's revise. What were we talking about yesterday? Besithetha ngandoni izolo. Besithetha ngandoni izolo. We were talking ngandoni about what? Izolo, yesterday. Or besixoxa ntoni izolo. Besixoxa ntoni izolo. Xoxa is to discuss. And you ask one of the students, Uthini wena nozuko? Uthini wena nozuko? And what do you have to say, nozuko? Nozuko offers something and you say, Ewe unyanisile. Ewe unyanisile. And the rest of you, how do you feel? Nithini nina? Nithini nina? Don't all answer together. Sanukuphendula kunye. Kunye as one. Sanuku, do not. Pendula, answer. But rather raise your hands. Nyusani or pakamisani izandla. Or you could just say izandla and gesture with your hands. Important that assignments be submitted timeously and that it be original work. So you could therefore state, Ngenisani, submit. Imisebenzi, the assignments. Ngo, on whatever day of the week you choose, or month, or whatever. Alternatively, imisebenzi, the assignments. Ndiyifuna, I want them. Ngo, and then you will stipulate the date. So, Ngenisani imisebenzi ngomvulo, Monday for argument's sake. Imisebenzi ndiyifuna ngolwesihlanu. The assignments, I want them on Friday. Very importantly, umsebenzi mawube ngowakho. The work must be your own. Your work must be original. Umsebenzi mawube ngowakho, and not that of your neighbor. Hayi ngowomelwane. Hayi ngowomelwane. Umelwane is the neighbor. And then finally offering praise for work that has been done. Ukuncoma. Ncoma is to praise. Your work is excellent. Umsebenzi wakho mhle. Umsebenzi wakho mhle. Your work is good, is excellent. Your work is commendable. Umsebenzi wakho uyancomeka. Umsebenzi wakho uyancomeka. You have done well. Wenze kakuhle. Wenze kakuhle. You have achieved excellence. Ugqwesile. Ugqwesile. You have put in an effort, I see. Usebenzile. Usebenzile. And somebody who has tried and perhaps not performed all that well, but you still give the person a pat on the back by saying, Uzamile noko. Nonetheless, you have made an effort. So, umsebenzi wakho mhle, umsebenzi wakho uyancomeka, wenze kakuhle, ugqwesile, usebenzile, uzamile noko. And that concludes this lesson. Enkosi kakhulu.